Hello, welcome friends. I am myself Debuki Basu, come again from Boutique D Design, Kolkata. My contact number is 9163860633 and my boutique address is 51 by 1 Jaduna Tukil Road, Paschim Putiari, Kolkata 41 near Netaji metro station. It's in Toliganj area. Kudghat. Basically, its location is Kudghat. Already known that my boutique name and you have, I got a very good responses from you. So, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment. Uh, and Today my episode, it's a special episode which is in Tasar Batik. Okay, hand batik on pure gachi tasar. All this sari which I will show you with gachi tasar and hand batik. Okay, so let's start. Show the sari. See, my first sari. These are all pure hand batik. Okay. Okay. My first sari is this one. This is a palla, okay, pallu. This is a pallu. This is a sea green color, sea green and black, okay, sea green and black. This is not actually exact black. This color is charcoal color, okay. It's a black, and this motif it comes with front. Full from pallu to front portion, okay, and the body. Okay, and pleats will come this solid color, and the border will come in the pleats. And if you like this sari, for booking you can WhatsApp me at my phone number 9163860633. So this is a pleats, okay. This portion is pleats. This is a pleat part, okay. The sea green, this is a dual tone, and one is sea green and grey, okay. It's dual tone, and this blouse piece is this one. This is a blouse piece. Take a screenshot of this sari and send to my WhatsApp number so I can get that which sari you want, and write your name and from where you are located. Through courier only you will reach your product, and by net banking and Google Pay you can pay the money, you can transfer the money, okay. So my next sari is, these all are the pure gachi by gachi tasar, okay. This is the palla. This is the brown shades, okay. It's a brown shades, and one is fish motif, okay. And this whole body is like this motif. Pleats part will come this portion. This is a pleat part. This is a pleat part. This is a pleats will come like this, okay. And the blouse piece is, this is a blouse piece, 1 meter blouse piece. These saris are all pure gachi by gachi tasar. Okay, this price I forgot to mention the price. This price is 5,500 including shipping. Shipping is free, okay. So you don't need to pay the shipping charges extra. You just take a screenshot of this sari and send to my WhatsApp number 9163860633. This is also my Google Pay number. Okay. This is another. This is a pink English tone. I mean the pastel shades pink tone. Okay. This pink and this brown combination, pink and brown and little bit touches of black. Okay. So this is a palla. And the body is this one. This is the body. This is the upper yoke, and that is the lower yoke. Okay, the pleat will come, this one, this come is a pleat. Okay, this is a pleat, this is a pleat part. Okay, this is, see, the English shades, but all the shades is a dual tone, pink and light shades, light and dark shades of pink. This is a blouse piece. Okay, pink, brown and little bit of black touches is there. Price 5,500 because as it is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Okay. These all sari are very elegant, very unique, and each and every design is unique. My batik is somewhat different from the traditional batik. See this sari. This is a palla. This is pink and one violet shades. Okay, and this is the whole body. This one flower and one bird design. The whole body. This is a very elegant piece, and this is a blouse piece. Is crack, pink and violet shades crack batik, isn't? This is a 1 meter full blouse piece. Okay, these all sari you can wash at home. This is, you don't need to go for the dry clean. So that quality I maintain. You can visit my page on Facebook page and YouTube channel also, Boutique D Design. This is a next sari. This is a green combination. This is a pallu. Okay. This are the no, in a pallu. This is a jari border. Actually, this tasar is a jari border tasar. Gachi by gachi tasar, but jari border and some dual tone. It's green and yellow shades. Okay, so whole body is like this. This is a very corporate sari, corporate look sari. Okay, one tone is actually suppressed to get this kind of image. Okay, so this is a whole body. Okay, and the pleat part is this one. This is the pleats. The same motif come in the pleats, and this is a blouse piece. This is very unique piece. This is a crack blouse piece. Okay, see the color combination and work. It's just very different from the traditional batik. This is also again, this one you can say some of the traditional batik, only the palla and the border. This is a palla. It's a tasar color. Okay, tasar and the biscuit color, you can say, not the tasar color. This is a biscuit color and the brown combination. And this is a whole body, upper yoke and lower yoke. Upper yoke and lower yoke. Okay. There is also shades with the two colors. One is dark yellow, light little bit of dark yellow, and one is a light yellow combination. This is the pleat part. Okay, and the blouse piece comes like this. This will come in the hand of the blouse piece. Okay, the price is 5,500. This all other Gachi by Gachi tasar. Whatever I am showing you in this episode, all are tasar and Gachi by Gachi tasar. Please take a screenshot of the sari which you want to book and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, now this is my second sari. This is also in the pink shade, and on that some brown shades are there in palla. Okay, this is a palla, and this upper yoke to this lower yoke, it's come like this wave kind of design. Okay, this is will come in the wave kind of design. Okay, this will come in front actually. This is a body in front. Okay, lower yoke, and this is a border. This pleat part will come this one, this kind of this is a pleat part. Okay, this is only the border, and the blouse piece will come like this one. This one pink shade saree. Okay. Take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. For booking, you can do net banking and Google Pay. Please send me WhatsApp for booking. My phone number is 91638606333. 91638606333. This is my WhatsApp number as well as my Google Pay number. Now see the saree. This is one mauve shade. Okay, and this is the pallu. Okay, this box design have made in batik. Okay, and whole saree is these all are English color and a corporate saree. Okay, in office also you can wear this kind of saree. Whole saree is like this. The body and pleats will come like this, boxes designs. Okay, very unusual geometry shaped batik. And this is a blouse piece. Okay, you can wash it at home. Don't need to go to dry cleaner. Now again, same saree, the different shades. That was in violet shade, and this one is in green shade. Two dual tone green shade. One is light green and dark green. See the combination of saree. It's a very unique piece. This is a pallu, and this is a body. Whole body is like the same. Okay, and the blouse piece is this one. See the color combination and the quality of saree. I won't tell you. When you reach your hand, you will understand what is my quality. And those who already know, I won't say anything. Okay, this is my next saree. This is also in the brown shades one. Okay, this biscuit color and brown shade saree. Okay, this is the pallu. This is also the zari border tasar. Okay, zari border tasar. This is the pallu, and the whole body comes like this. This motif comes like this. These are all pure hand batik. That's why this kind of shades is coming. This one dots is coming. I mean not the similar dots. Some dots is big, some dot is small, because it is purely hand batik. And this is a pleats will come. Okay. This is a blouse piece of this saree. This is a blouse piece. These all are the corporate look saree. And very rich quality of tasar. Now this is a next saree. This is also in the tasar color. Tasar and some yellow mixed, actually light yellow. It comes like biscuit shade, and this is a pallu. This is a same shade actually they're using in the batik. This is a whole body. Boxes designs, geometry designs. And those who like the light shade can go with this one. And this is a blouse piece. Okay. Price 5,500, and courier charge is free. Shipping is free all over India. Shipping free. This is again, this is a English shade on peach pink. Okay, peach pink color, and a brown and red and some green touches is there. This is a palla, and this is the whole body, upper yoke and lower yoke. Okay, the whole sari, and this is a blouse piece. This is my last sari of this episode. This is a blouse piece. It will come in hand. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel to get in touch with me, and please send WhatsApp for booking. Take a screenshot and send it to me at 91638606333 at this number. Thank you.